Diary hello, it is Thursday, the 12th of October 2023, and we are looking at the Google Pixel 8 Pro unboxing. As usual, I shall include a matter of commentary with the unboxing, but let's actually start with Mr. Leatherman, and we're going to try and do the actual unboxing as we go along. So I'm going to try and cut down here and not to use the pulls that have been given to me. So if I have to repackage it and send it back to Mr. Google, that's going to look for a more unopened package of sorts. Right, well, I've achieved the first bit without cutting my hand open. That's a good sign. So the backstory is that I'm very excited that I might soon be moving back into the Google Fold. Wow, that's a large phone. I'm going to get my Pixel 4 XL out for comparison purposes. Here's my reference Pixel 4 XL, my beautiful, trusted Pixel 4 XL. Well, do you know what? It's not too much difference in size, it looks like. So let's do the unboxing. I'm holding this tab. The phone is coming out. There's a piece of sticky paper here. I don't think there's a screen protector. Okay. We've got a box. We've got Mr. Phone. We've got a USB-C to USB-C cable. We've got a Mr. Converter, which these are two a penny, and this one doesn't look anything special, so I shall leave that in the box for repackaging and resale later. A tiny little box. Is it a pad of paper from Google? Is it 1,000 ways you can electrocute yourself with a phone? Now I'm going to try and no, I'm going to have to open it. Okay, it's come open. What's in it? Oh, yes, safety. That's what we all need. We all need to be safe in our lives. Okay, so we've got a pin extraction, and we've got, SIM extraction tool, SIM extraction pin, and we've got 1,000 ways on why this is a perfectly safe item, and yeah, okay. That's going to tell me absolutely nothing about how to use the phone and everything about how I might be electrocuted with 5 volts. So let's get rid of all the guff. Goodbye. We've got the phone cable and the phone itself. And ta-da! Wow, it's nice and shiny. Now, of course, never leave the home without a properly protected phone, unless you're in a different wage earning capacity to me. So that is the Pixel 8 Pro. There we've got the 3 cameras, we've got the temperature sensor, and we've got the USB-C cable. In fact, I think I'm going to put that back in the box, ready for resale, in however long that will be. I don't need that cable. So I just want to make a quick comparison between the phone on the left in this hand and the phone on the right. That's my Pixel 4 XL. And as you can see, you know what? There's practically no, look at one is in a case, this is in a case, or XL's in a case, and this is not. So this Pixel 4 XL phone is currently my home phone and doesn't actually leave the house because it's so ginormous. But if I choose to take this out of the house, if this isn't just going to be a finance phone replacement, then yeah, it looks like it's about the same size as the Pixel 4 XL. In my hand, it doesn't feel that heavy, but I need to apply the case and scream, and it's very it's extremely slippery. Yeah, so I wouldn't. You need to be a braver person than I to take this out of the house without protection. But there you are. So it's a very minimalist case. And as most people know, I've been taken out of the lovely Google Fold into the dark side of Apple, and mainly because the Pixel line of phones have stopped doing secure facial recognition. And I believe, I'm told by many different sources, including Google, which surely cannot be wrong, that the Pixel 8 Pro and the Pixel 8 now support secure facial unlock. So that means to say it's not just convenience unlock for opening the phone, but it means that when I start a banking app or other app that needs secure facial recognition, I can use this front-facing camera only, and I do not ever need to use this fingerprint reader. We will see, shan't we? Okay, Dari, that's enough of the unboxing. It's going to go on charge. I recommend when you get these products, you put them on charge and come back hours later, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Good night.